Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make a vent portal. For this we need the Eye of Ender portal. It's in decorative blocks. The Eye of Ender is here in Misk. The key is to place these blocks correctly. They should always be in the center of the portal, arranged like this in a 3x3 circle. Then place the eyes and it works. If it's not working for you, it's probably because you're not placing the blocks right. Look, 1, 2, 3. So you must always be in the middle of the portal. Then it'll definitely work. That's it. This was Weiler. Catch you later.